Planning to explore Pisa, but don't want to carry your luggage all day? RadicalStorage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you discover the city's famous attractions. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Pisa using RadicalStorage, a trusted platform with secure, insured options. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage stays safe and fully insured while you explore. To avoid the risk of phishing sites, use the secure link provided in the video description to access the official RadicalStorage website. From there, it's easy to find a luggage storage point in Pisa. Just type Pisa into the search bar, and you'll be shown a list of available storage locations around the city. Choose a location that's convenient for you, whether near popular landmarks like the Leaning Tower, train stations, or city center. After selecting your preferred drop-off and pickup times, proceed with the payment. RadicalStorage guarantees secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number and detailed directions to the storage point. Upon arrival at your chosen location, simply show the reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of your bags. Now, you're free to enjoy Pisa without the worry of your luggage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.